Hey everybody, let's talk about how to fix Kik clips not saving. So to fix this problem, you can start by adding a title and description. Kik requires you to add a title and description before publishing a clip. If you skip this step, the publish button will not work. Clips do not instantly appear in your library. It can take a few minutes for Kik to process the video. Just refresh the page or restart the app to check again. Now the next what you can do is offload the app. Just go to your device settings and then scroll down to go to General, then tap on iPhone Storage and then find Kik from the list, or you can just search it in your search bar. Tap on it, then tap Offload App and then immediately reinstall it. Now, if the mobile app is giving you trouble, just log in through your mobile browser, for example, Chrome or Safari, and try making or downloading your clips there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.